How to remove stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip where you want to remove stabilization. Next, open the inspector panel, scroll down to the stabilization section. If stabilization is enabled, click on the stabilize button to disable it. This will remove the stabilization effect from your clip. If you want to completely reset the stabilization settings, click on the reset button next to the stabilization section. This will clear all stabilization data and restore your clip to its original state. Alternatively, you can use the color page to reset stabilization. Go to the color page, click on the tracker panel, and then click on the reset button in the stabilization section. Remember, removing stabilization might cause your clip to have black edges or appear zoomed in. You can adjust the zoom and position settings in the inspector to fix this. And that's it. Now you know how to remove stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.